We are in the Holy Week, and today we enter into Easter Triduum, or the Sacred Triduum. These are the most important days in the life of the Church, or the whole liturgical year. Here we commemorate the Passion, death, and resurrection of the Lord. The Lord came to this world to die so that we may live. By dying on the cross, He destroyed our death, and by rising, He restored our life. Today is Maundy Thursday, and we celebrate the intimate and passionate love of Jesus. Latin word mandatum, which means command. Jesus gave us a new commandment: love one another just as I have loved you. So the model for us is Jesus Himself. We are called to grow in this consciousness and conviction, to carry out the command of the Lord. The other two events of the great importance today are institution of the Eucharist and the priesthood.